Medicine is my lawful wife and literature my mistress. When I get tired of one, I spend the night with the other. Intellectual explanation. Anton Chekhov's quote presents a captivating analogy that illustrates his passion for both medicine and literature. He compares medicine to his lawful wife and literature to his mistress, suggesting that these two pursuits occupy significant spaces in his life. By referring to medicine as his lawful wife, Chekhov implies that it is his primary vocation and professional commitment. Medicine represents his formal training, career, and the responsibilities that come with it. It signifies his dedication to the well-being of others and the scientific pursuit of healing. On the other hand, literature is portrayed as his mistress, representing his creative outlet and personal passion. It symbolizes the imaginative and expressive realm that allows him to explore his thoughts, emotions, and artistic inclinations. Literature offers him an escape from the demands of medicine, providing an avenue for self-expression and intellectual engagement. The quote suggests that when Chekhov becomes tired or fatigued by the demands of one pursuit, he seeks solace and rejuvenation in the other. It implies that he finds a sense of balance and fulfillment by alternating between these two realms of his life, drawing inspiration and energy from each. Chekhov's words offer a glimpse into the multidimensionality of his interests and the interplay between his professional and artistic endeavors. It reflects his ability to navigate between the worlds of science and creativity, recognizing the value and importance of both in his life. In today's context, where individuals often juggle multiple roles and passions, Chekhov's quote resonates with those who find fulfillment in diverse pursuits. It encourages individuals to embrace their various passions and interests, recognizing that each facet of their life contributes to their personal growth and well-being. Ultimately, this quote highlights Chekhov's unique perspective on the balance between professional and creative pursuits. It celebrates the richness that can be found in a life where different passions are nurtured, emphasizing the importance of finding harmony between dedication to one's profession and the pursuit of personal passions.